So this is how you can edit texts on Discord. It's actually quite simple. We have a few ways on editing a text. Now the first one, which is the most simple one, is the bold. So you're going to want to tap on these asterisk buttons and add two of them. Now simply type the message you want to add and then add another two at the end. It should turn into this bold message. Now you can also do one to make it italic. There you go. And you could do three to make it bold italic. Just wait and send. There you go. It is now bold and italic. If you want to underline a message, just simply add two underlines and here you go. And also, you could keep combining this. For example, if you want a bold italic underline, just simply do that and you'll be good to go. As you can see, it's bold, it's an italic, and it's underlined. Now, you could also add spoilers by simply tapping on these long lines, like so, and then adding two more. And now it's going to appear as this black mark, which you can tap in order to open, and now it says hi. You could also cross it out by simply tapping two of these, and then tapping on hi, and also two more, and it's going to cross it out. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.